Hello everyone, I am your Coco. I have received a lot of private messages from my fans recently. There is no regardless of playing these high detail models are excellent resin. Today to friends to realize the dream. It's time to meet everyone. We address the problems of the same types of resin on the market. Developed this set of high sharpness, high accuracy, easy to clean, low odor, non-deformation, low shrinkage rate, drop number, and other advantages of the resin. Coco can't wait. Let me show you if this resin is as good as I said. Go! This resin has almost no bubbles. Cleaning. Look at this head sculpture on my hand. This support of our resin is very easy to remove. Gently twist the support of the hand is particularly easy to dismantle, easy to fall off. The sound of friends will be really good to hear. If you look at this head, the skin texture is very clear. The color looks comfortable, too. Look at the wrinkles, the crow's feet, the beard. The details are very clear. And look at this hair. It's very sharp. The details of the hair are very clear. My friends have no problem with printing hairs. Look at the shoes on my hands. Again with a gentle twist of the hand. The support comes off, very good open. Let me show you. Look at the skin of the shoe. Our resin is very sharp for this detail. You can see the colored texture on the upper of the shoe is very obvious. Look at this look of shoes, right? The details are very realistic. Look at the holes in the upper. The depth is consistent and the three-dimensional sense is very strong. Finally, this gives the shoe the most detail, and we've printed out this new resin. The fine print is clearly visible. This is the advantage of nanoscale materials. Finally, take a look at Coco's Bitcoin. Again, with a gentle twist of the hand, the support came off easily. Very good open. Our resin is mainly rigid. Print does not deform. Solved a lot of problems for my friends. With a little bit of toughness. Ensure that the work will not be damaged because of too brittle. Overall, the resin has a matte finish. It looks very comfortable. The details look very clear. Our resin can deal with high precision, intricate detail of the model, whether it's a miniature or a head or some other high detail model. This resin is really good. Now the product is about to hit the market. Those who can't wait can make reservations via private message Coco. The first 30 people who book will enjoy the special offer.